Hello, welcome to the channel. In this video, we are going to talk about how to get your house ready for summers. In this one, I will be talking about first exterior inspections that you need to do. So first thing for the exterior is to inspect your roof. So to inspect your garage roof, you can simply go to your front bedroom and inspect it through the window. And to inspect the main roof, there are two options. So first is using drone, but to get access to drones is kind of hard. So what you can do is you can go across the street in the front and the back, and then just use a camera zoom in and click some pictures or make a video for your roof, and then you will be able to inspect it. Then you also have to inspect your eaves and gutters, so make sure when snow is melting or it's raining, you can check the corners if they are leaking, or any joints if there is any leak. And then also the elbow for your gutter has to be put down so that when it's snow is melting or raining, so the water doesn't directly go by your foundation, it's just directly come to this middle swale. Also inspect your grading and foundation around the house, so to see if there's any major settlements. If there are minor cracks in parging, those are pretty normal when your house experiences different weathers. But if the crack is more than normal, that can be like quarter an inch or so, that means it may cause water to leak through during rain. So it's better if you call some professional to inspect it. Then also inspect under your deck for the grading, so it has to be sloped away from the foundation, so if there's any rain, the water will automatically drain away from your building. Then also inspect the beam for your deck. If it seems sloped, then add some extra supports to it to make it stable. Then also inspect the deck for the treated wood. So usually the life of treated wood is 3 to 3.5 years. After that, it needs to be repainted. So just sand your deck and then clean it, like you can power wash it and then paint it. So I will attach some pictures for how the treated wood fades with time. And also inspect your railing to be properly secured, and if it's any loose, then install proper screws on the deck. Also inspect your gas meter and the gas lines. So the gas line coming from your ground, going into the gas meter and then into your house. If there is any rust, sand it down and then paint it with rust resistant paint. You will also need to inspect your exterior bibs. So for this one, if you have a special valve in the basement that was shut off during the winter, then you can turn it on and then start a bib for a few minutes, and then go to the basement and inspect it for any leakage. So what happens is, if in winter the bib, if there's any water, so sometime during the cold weather, the water in the pipe freezes and expands, and so does the water line. So when water line expands, it cracks. So now in summer when you run it, it will leak. Also check that all the penetration into the house are properly silicone. So if you see here, it's silicone. So inspect it. Usually every 2-3 years the silicone has to be redone, so you just make sure that if the silicone is coming off, you can redo it. Also inspect your AC, just that it's properly stable and all the connections looks good. The penetrations are properly sealed. Also inspect your window well for window well rocks. So if the level of the rocks are low and you can see the exposed foundation, that means it needs to be refilled. Also, there is a drain pipe for the window well that goes to your whipping tile that has to be filled with rocks and free of any debris. Also inspect the intake vents because they take in the air, so there might be some lint or debris stuck on the screen here, so you can clean it. And and for the exhaust vents, there is no usual problems because they exhaust the air out, so if there is anything stuck on the vent, it just goes away. But intakes need to be checked once or twice a year. Thanks for watching the video. Hope this video will help you to get your house ready for the summer. If you like the content, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.